Just got out of a meeting with a bunch of billionaires. TikTok, we mean business. This is my lawyer right here. We have it.
We are witnessing a debate concerning who is or who should be the king of the dancehall.
Anyway, Margaret School and the little soon to be dirty carnival where me see Bina go viral over here. And some of the parents Bina take him side over here. What who know all of me?
Too much rebellion. A rebellious stage is happening around Stoner.
Please come over Margaret because my ear is my nationality. And it is for significance in me. So I can go in the school. They don't want me to
give birth to a black child. Man, great cut him out in a breast child. Lungs never leave from the top side.
Just got out of a meeting with a bunch of billionaires. TikTok, we mean business. This is my lawyer right here. We have an offer ready for you. We want to buy the platform. America deserves TikTok. Give me a seat at the table. Let me save this platform, TikTok.
Why is it that in 2025 we are witnessing a debate concerning who is or who should be the king of the dancehall? Long before the Triple Bravos, the Beanie, the Bounty, Buju Bantons, we had the King Stitch, the Daddy Uroy, the King Yellowman, the Josie Wales, the Charlie Chaplins, the Big Youth. What if the music had stopped with those great men? Would we ever witness the greatness of the Triple Bravos? Would we witness the greatness of the Sizzlers, the Capletons, the Spragga Benz, the Louis Cultures? No, we wouldn't. So why is it that any human being who partake in this dancehall reggae music culture would think that the music or the growth of the music stops with them? The truth is, Beenie Man has gotten his fair share of gratuity from the industry, the fans, and the universe, where his artistic gift is concerned. He has paid his dues and he has received his rewards. And still is receiving his rewards. So now, if you are debating if Vybz Kartel should be the king, then that means Moses Davis wants to stagnate the culture, because the music and the growth and evolution of the music cannot stop with Vybz Kartel. It did not stop with the great King Big Youth. It did not stop with Daddy Roy. It didn't stop with Josie Whale. It didn't stop with King Yellowman. So why should it stop at Beenie Man? Make sense? Anyone who has the interest, the sincere interest of the music at heart, would understand why the people now see Vybz Kartel as a new king. And that should be no problem to any artist who have already played their role and reaping the rewards of their labor. So in 2025 there should be no debate, because the music is growing, the music is evolving. Without the great men before the Triple Bravos, we wouldn't know them. We wouldn't know about the Killer. We wouldn't know Beenie Man. We wouldn't know about Buju Banton. We wouldn't know Gully. We wouldn't know Gaza. We should kinship stop at Beanie Man? Why should kinship stop at Vybz Kartel? That's not the way any industry or any situation should grow. What if when Ford had made his first car, it had said, hey, nobody else can't get cars? We wouldn't have Teslas today. We wouldn't have Mercedes. We wouldn't have BMWs. We wouldn't have the Audis. Had we stopped at Ford? So it's the same thing with the music. Embrace each genre, embrace each generation, and let the thing evolve. Let it grow. Come on, man. Too much coming on married lifestyle.
Please come over, Magrat, because my ear is my nationality, and it is for significance in me, so I can go in the school. They don't want me to hear. They tell me to trim. They tell me to trim. They don't want we go in our school because our ear is our nationality. Ministry of Education, I beg you please. Trim me here, and then still some work on me hard, brother. For nothing at all, just cause they do it for them. I ask them my reason for them as me, then nobody not talk. And just me for work on me hard. Bro, me don't know that, I swear. Give up, bro.
A few moments later.
Me now go miss out from class. You man say she still in a meet. Me say, when me out there now, when I teach them pass and say, yo, what do you do up here? Me say, yo, the principal wants me. Man say, yo, the man want kick you. Me say, kick me for. Man say, yo, the man want kick you. And the man go want you take down your video cause they in school. And me say, yo, no matter what they say over this, me do it they kick me because me not take down none. People will know say, yo, I furnish them all over there in school and they have 15 things over there where they might hide and they don't want the public to see. And just because me I show them up and I make the public see them type of things about the stinking school because I'm afraid that they might fight me out, bro. Just because me just attack where everybody having a their mouth where one talk for a long time. And just because me I do that now as a local school youth, me I go get hate, fight, people are going to say me disrespectful. It's all some big man, bro. I come in for my video, I come and talk about say, yo, me I come to school and I take up phone. I phone me for my sister, yo, so I don't know you want to hear. Come and talk about me, I try to change system. How me feel change system, I just talk the truth. But that, chill, you know, chill. Me just have to read some of your comments, man, I laugh, dog. Anyway, Magrat School and the little soon to be dirty carnival where me see Bina go viral over here and some of no parents Bina take him side over here. What who no know all of me, all of uno. Little boy, when I did thief me daughter phone and take it and fling it away when you see me did they come for it. Why you never did come out here and come make videos and come talk about Magrat School? And from them time the Magrat School should have been get rid of you out of the school. But you see why it all cost now. And it's surprising to me that me not understand how picky they can go to school and disrupt class, disrespect teacher, and abuse and bully other people's kids. And when the school tends to get rid of them and take discipline action against him can come on TikTok and hopping out in big mouth and the whole of who come support him. Let me tell you something. Who see a parent sometime and who cause all of these children to go to school and behave that. The little nanny buck head boy should have been left Magrat School from long time because you see that little boy there, who don't know how long, when him in a class no other helps people picnic can learn and teacher cannot teach class when that little boy is attending class because him from a gang in a Magrat School and him claim to say him a run the school just like how him a run him mama and him papa. Him papa the overseas a work hard and him mama there and him mama can't control him nor rule him and him go to the people them school and farm gang. If me never did turn up chunk on my foot, my picnic did have to stop go to school take that same little boy they want to see come out here up in out in big mouth and I disrespect Magrat School. Him a disrespect every teacher where they plan the school compound and that is the thing we don't support. Yeah, come talk about you hear one this and you hear one that, you hear one cut little boy, you hear one groom and if your daddy a send for you tomorrow morning and you did figure embassy, your head would shine like a gumbe. If they tell us if your head fi shine like a gumbe, your head would shine like a gumbe. And if they tell us if you pick out your eyelash them and pick out your eyebrow them, you would have been tweet and have no problem with it. But no, because I'm a grad school and you feel like say you can't come on TikTok because you know say some little dirty people over you and just say who out of your mouth, them quick to jump and bash it and say he. Yes, them fi go down and them fi this and my grad school fi go down. When my grad school fi go down for I don't know how many times Uno know the challenges when my grad school is having with that little boy there. And I know today or yesterday, if my grad school did that bad, my grad school that did running from the time when he thief me data phone and create the big old disgrace. But what? In the stop go school for a little while and then injustice step back in the school and nobody do anything about him. That is where me rang my grad school. A long time when I run him out of school. A long time when I run him out of school. The reason why teacher send him out of class. No teacher in my grad school not take a sec on him. The reason why teacher send him out of class because him and him gang when creating at the school. Anytime them step in our class done. In disrupt class, bully other people pick me, thief other people pick me things, and me have experience with him along with a lot more parents. I just threw them a ball enough to come out talk. So me can't talk about him. Me can't talk about him because me know how him behave. I am a parent of my grad school, so me know how him behave. And me know the challenges them what they have. Me know the challenges them what, if my grad school don't run him out of class or lock him outside, me tell her something, class can't go on. When him don't come in a class and give the girl, he and turn the class upside down, no other people picnic can learn. Our teacher have to get up and left classroom and give him and him friend them. What who no know? What who no know? Who no fi come after? And Mr. Mighty, me yesterday tell him to go suck him mama. Big up you. Big up you for tell him to go suck him mama and send him out of your class. Big up you. Run him out of that. Look on it, your hair want crew. Your pants want fix. Rules are rules, and any which part you go, rules today. And if like when me did say, if you figure embassy tomorrow morning and they say ball your head, shave your eyelash and pick out your eyebrow, you would have been doing it. Stop compare, you come make my grad school name. Cause stop compare, you come bring down the school. Because if my grad school was that bad, to the way how you handle the school and behave in the school, you have your gang where you from. My grad school would have been expelled a long time. Use a little dirty kind of boy in the making and that me say. I mean I take it back, but I speed it, and everyone we have picked it too. But that little boy enough for their school.
I'm sorry for I've stolen your daughter's phone 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Then I remember the date. And after that day, me not trouble nothing back. Me do me TikTok. I work my TikTok and buy my phone. See the right now is a iPhone 12 Pro me I use. And me pray that night and I beg Father God to forgive me. And right now as the end this life me I go pray so nothing happen to me in Jesus' name because I really don't want nothing to do me and me just want to hurry up and done school so I can go in the army because that is my dream and that I did plan for do.
Now, night for pregnant woman. The people with dark and hard to learn. At school, yes. And I niggle day and him bright your fuck. That's right. Yes. Yes. Now, for a night to breed her. The people dark to rascal.
God! It's me again! I don't know what's happening in my life. But you know, God, everywhere I turn is disappointment.
When I like you to bring back my child, sir, okay? Bring back my child. Because tell me why. Tell me why I'm member up, guys. I'm going to tell you this, I'm not going to bring this to social media because apparently the police ain't doing shit. Apparently the police ain't doing shit. So this is my daughter. She turns 5 today. Today her birthday. She turned fucking 5, bro. So let me give you all a backstory. This is her father. Though in her life over, she turned 5 today. And 4 years out of her life, he weren't around. And that's fine. That's fine. I never call him phone once and beg him something yet, but that's fine. So I'm like, you know a backstory. Right? I don't know nothing what going on with him. As I said 4 years ago, we left. I leave him. I don't know nothing. I do not care about him. I don't know what going on with him. I never know if him did even dead or alive, to be honest. right? Never get a call for check on him daughter. Never get a call for ask if she good or sick. When hospital bills are me alone. Grocery me alone. School fee me alone. I'm my mother. Look here now. Tell me why a week before Christmas this man reach out to my mother. I tell my mother say, fee mother come from foreign. Want to meet my daughter because she's the only grandchild the mother don't meet. I told my mom, do not send her. Don't fucking send her. Because I'm gonna feel it in my fucking heart and something like a gun on. I'm gonna feel it in my fucking heart, me and tell her, bro. The mother said, don't send her. Don't send her, girl. My mother do it out of the goodness of her heart because my mother pre-said, if she was a grandmother, if she's a grandmother and never meet one grandchild, she don't want to meet her. I'm going to say, here, what? Do what you got to do. Because I mean, you know, she don't do with her. Being in the US, she don't do with her. So I was like, here, if you feel like it, okay, do it. And my mother gave him a time frame and said, okay, she's going to send her. So my mother pop one little mini bag with little, like four underwear, like 2 little those, because my mother knows that she'll come back the Friday. Remember, the Tuesday, he came at the house the Monday, the day before Christmas. And him leave with her the Tuesday. I don't even remember if I did work, but I know that the Monday, him come at the yard on the Tuesday, either on Christmas, or either him come there on the Christmas and leave Boxing Day one out of the two, but she did for come back the 28th. The 28th of December. And today is fucking January the fucking 12th, and I don't hear from a picnic. I don't know nothing where going to that. I don't know nothing, and I'm being silent because I didn't want to bring it to social media. Come and say, we're going to go to the police station, and the police is such a fucking letdown. Because my mom got to the police station at Papine, and we know what the police told her. We should just sit and wait on whenever he brings her back, because by law, he's the biological father. All them fuckery them here. I wonder if me and the police them must see the same news will go on in the fucking world. Because I wonder if I'm delusional or what. Because how can you say that when fathers were even living at the same household with them pick me and molest them child, I take abuse and them don't know what's happening. I'm nasty, nobody's doing that. I'm just saying, I don't know this guy anymore. And my mother do it out of goodness because she fee mother did it at Jamaica. And fee mother fucking lying so because the police called the fucking mother because them live when we were together, we live in Seaview Gardens, lot 57 Seaview Gardens, phase 1. I knew they grew up in St. Elizabeth, I just did never go there before. Torrington, St. Elizabeth, but I just never went there before. I don't know no house, I don't know nothing. You get what me I say? So when the mother come from Friday, St. Elizabeth, him carry my child gone. And my mother said, bring her back on the Friday. And him say, yeah. And I said, talk to him too. He was on the video call. I'm going to say, hear what mommy say? Friday morning. Yeah, man, we hear what I'm not saying. Hear what I'm not saying. That time, all the fucking long, him and the mother was planning to take my child. Him and the mother did not plan to take my child all along. This was all cooked up. This was all cooked up together. This was a whole plan they made. Because they know how my mom stayed. And if me did that here, that would never happen. Because he would have never get opinion, me alone, but third opinion. Medical bills, school fee, books, grocery, clothes, anything at all, outings are me. Me never call this a man phone and beg him nothing yet with 4 years him never in her life and never call him phone and beg him $1 yet. Ask God. And when Friday come and him did for bring back my daughter, my mother called me, block my mom's number. My mother called me because I'm in the US. My mother called me. Right, my mother called me and tell me what happened. And I'm going to use my cousin's phone because my cousin was here with me. I borrowed her phone. And when I called, I didn't get him. So,
you better be wise. Don't fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me junior English revise. The killer me beat and then me press and revive.
mother mother number that his mother will call now. We know some call the fucking mother phone. Him answer the phone and I said, hello, how it sound like on in the house so. Where's Zahara? Because my daughter name is Zahara. I said, where is Zahara? He said, see her here beside her. I said, what she for there beside her? And my mother there at town. I wait for her, no. I said, my mother said, meet her at Captain's Bakery Friday. You tell my mother, yeah. You know, the man look, when me hear my daughter say, mommy, I requested the video call and he fucking declined it. I said, yo, no, doing a video call, yes, so. So I was like, what? So I started get upset. I said, so you mean by me not doing a video call, it's to see my own daughter. Anyways, my mother that town I wait for you, because I never want the bag of argument. And him turned to the phone and him said, that never happen. That's when I knew me not gonna get back the child. I'm saying me that never happen. And me said to somebody, say, yo, block the number there. And a minute after, my cousin's phone number was blocked. My cousin's phone number was blocked. I'm gonna go to fucking Poppy police station. My mother got Poppy police station. And the police, I'm gonna tell my mother to because she's with the biological father. It's not called kidnapping. My mother got CDA office downtown Kingston and the court office. And them tell her because she's with the biological father, it's not considered kidnapping. And tell me now, if these people want me to sit down, like my mother to sit down and me to sit down, I say, oh, she's with the father. She good. School open fucking last week, Monday, and my child wasn't in her classroom. You understand? Oh, you have to have my baby down somewhere and not answering your phone. You block everybody's number. I don't know what you're doing with my child down there and it kind of looks so suspicious. It kind of looks so suspicious. Let me wait until she's this old to come do this. It kind of looks so suspicious, bro. I'm gonna need her to bring back my child, Amar. I need her to bring back my child. Bring back my child, Amar. I'm not joking with my baby. I'm not joking with my child, brother. Bring back my child. Which way you get her from? Because you're up to something. I don't know what you're up to. But bring back my child, brother. Because if the police, them not gonna know, I'm gonna make social media this summer. I want everyone, I want to repost the video, please. Please repost it and share the video because I need back my child, brother. You're not in a position to take care of nobody. You know so you're not in the position for even take care of her now. You know that. You come up at the end and you tell my mother say you're not working and your mother also have to be at work pan. And more time and your mother help you out with food. You tell my mother that I'm on the phone while you did not tell her. So you only want to make she meet the man and come up back, you're not working, so you can't even support nobody, you can't even support yourself, brother. So what is this you're doing? Like you and the mother plan up and then when the police asks the grandmother, asks his mom where is Aaron on the street, the mother lie and tell him man, tell the policeman man to go here. And the police hang up and say, mom, you can't be sitting here lying to me. We know that Tarrantine is not in Montego Bay, it's in St. Elizabeth. So him and the mother plan this, brother. I need back my fucking child, brother.
The one, the only. Nothing at the building. Look who the fuck is back. There we go. Nothing at the building. Long time forward. How them let you back in the country, brother? Well,
Patience, you know.
Yeah.
And feel like
You better be wise, no fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me June English revise. The key.
Jesus, that's science. Life will see probably